Here we are at Thanksgiving. Everybody's eating already. You can see they're throwing down. Let's see. Last year we didn't do Thanksgiving together, so this is our official everybody here first Thanksgiving meal together. Hezzy's not feeling so good, but he's eating.
Yeah,
he's got a temperature of 101, but it's going down. As you can see, the oldest is having a field day over here, Elohim. He's not playing around. Oh, no,
no, he's not.
He's not messing around. Oh, look at that boy. He got an appetite as a lion. And look, little Zakari, look like he's got his mouth full. You got something in your mouth? Yes, he's already throwing down too. So everybody's throwing down except Daddy. So I'm gonna be next here on Thanksgiving Day 2018. As you can see, Hezzy, he's got an appetite. He's been fighting a fever for a whole week.
But he's eating.
And little Zeke throwing down over there. Is it good? Is it good? Yeah? You like it? Yeah? Okay, you don't have to talk. I know you got a mouthful of food. You don't have to talk. It's fine. How's yours, Hezzy?
Just
a thumbs up? All right, that'll work. What about you, Elohim?
No.
Real good?